fight to remove all foreign power from our soil.
We are Al-Qatala.
We are the killers. We fight without sorrow. We wage war without sympathy. This is the only way to live and die a true soldier.
Echo 3-1 to Charlie 2 actual.
Go for actual.
LZ is in sight.
Looks like our boys are right on time, Colonel.
Roger 3-1. Hitman teams are locked and loaded for assault. You are green to go.
Colonel, we may have a problem.
Too late, Laswell. We're live.
Not until I say so. Watch it at 3-1, how copy?
Station Chief Laswell, send traffic.
General Barkov has sent a new shipment of chlorine gas to his depot. But his mercs are prepping to move the chems into Urzikstan via convoy tonight. You're still clear to engage, but live fire on Russian military is prohibited. We cannot have an international incident.
No guarantees Russian army won't respond on this case.
Understood, Alex. Just locate the gas, commandeer Barkov's trucks, and get off the exit before the tide turns.
Copy, Watcher. We'll handle it. Let's move.
All Hitman teams push to your set point. Roger, over.
We need to keep this on a tight loop. Barkov's men are moving the gas tonight.
What are the odds we run into General Barkov? Cut that light off, 3-1. Psst, heads up.
Я слышал! Закрепнем!
Hearing 2. Looking for us. 2 mercs.
Down. We're clear.
Copy. Post up on the ridge and let's get the lay of the land.
Echo 3-1 to Blue Viking 5. Call for fire. Stand by for target confirmation.
Copy, 3-1. Viking standing by.
Let's recce the area and make sure there's no Russian army down there. Vehicle coming in the main gate.
Movement in the rail yard.
That's how the gas comes in.
Medium transport truck.
Transport for the gas. Vehicle's on the move.
Patrol vehicle. Contractors.
Security. Good targets. No Russian military presence. Call it in, CIA. Calling in fire mission 3-1. Blue Viking 5, Hitman 7-1. Enemies in the open. You are cleared hot.
Roger, 7-1. Target acquired. Weapons free in 5 seconds. Echo 3-1. Good effect on target. Viking is RTB. Good hunting.
Much obliged, Viking. We'll take it from here.
Heads up. Multiple guns on foot. Hold up. Let him approach.
Найдите их и убейте, иначе генерал убьет нас.
Force up.
Be advised, Echo 3-1 is not a patient man.
Looks like someone was playing with fire.
Serves him right, hawking this chemical shit.
Did right. They got radios and guns. Put them out of their misery.
Got enemies inside.
Coming your way.
Element of surprise is not on our side, boys. Stay frosty. Stay sharp. We're blind on this breach.
Contact! Stand down! Got an MG net on that second deck! He's dug in! Nice suppression! Get up! Good suppression! Flank up and take him out!
Force out. We need to secure the gas
One's in
before
the
they move
open.
it.
Got a target! CIA, get lit on that gun net! Let's go! Got a runner! Got a target! Target down! Move! Enemy near the wall! Target's moving! Got a visual! Got a target 30 meters away! Got a visual! He's off target! Move now! Got a barrier! Right now! Got one by that building! Yeah, I see him! Flank up on it! Grenade! Enemy northwest! Hey, cover me! In the open! Контакт между домами! Grenade out! Hey, cover me! Got an enemy southeast! Yeah, I see him! Move! Got one by that building! Got a target! Got one, south side! Противник вышел из укрытия! Got one by that building! Got a target! Get up here! 10 meters out!
MG, down!
What's your fire? They're to our west! Watch your visual! They're breaking from the warehouse! He's down! Clear!
Gas must be inside.
Unless we're too late. Clear! Clear! Clear!
Chems may be inside. Masks up.
Let's do this. Fuck.
They pitch black in here.
Go white light.
You hear that? Whoever killed the powers in here, I'm counting.
He's down!
Got him!
Moving on the catwalk! Got one moving!
All clear. Let's get the power up. Lights coming on.
Power's up.
Hey!
We got a problem. These guys are Russian army.
Spetsnaz.
3-1 to Watcher. Barkov's hired guns or Spetsnaz. We got Russian army KIA. We need to bug out now.
Negative. Command wants mission accomplished on this. Not our choice.
Verify this is what we came for. We'll set the trucks for egress.
Jackpot. PID in the gas.
Solid copy, 3-1. Load up and get back to base.
Roger that. Let's move out.
Take 3-1. Take shotgun.
All stations, we are Oscar Mike to the RV. Watch your sectors.
It's good work, Alex. Rally at the hook point for egress. Watcher to 3-1, how much? Alex, you read over.
I got you! I got you, 3-1! Shit! Who the fuck is this?
سيدي تعال بسرعة. ماله روسي. مارينز. عم يتعب. لازم نتحرك. فورا. تحركوا. يلا. يلا يلا.
Echo 3-1 to Watcher.
Alex, what happened?
Terrorist attack. Multiple Marines KIA. Gas stolen. We need evac now.
Roger. Tracking multiple Russian forces headed your way. Sit tight. We're pushing to you for fast exfil. Watcher out.
This operation is now compartmentalized.
What the hell does that mean?